My book is called Leading with Character, okay? And the title was very intentional in that I believe that your character is your sum total of your habits expressed over time. I'm going to say that again. Your character is the sum total of all your habits expressed over time. So if you are not doing well in the area of health, it's because your habits in the area of health aren't serving you. So all you really need to do is just shift those habits. Right? Just identify what are my habits around health that aren't serving me, and replace them with better habits. If your bank account isn't where you want it to be, it might be that your knowledge is not there, but it probably is sure that your habits around money aren't what they need to be. And my belief is that you don't wait till you have money to put in place good habits. You put in place good habits before the money comes, right? And the chances are the money won't flow till you have those good habits in place, right? So if you're not doing well in money, it's possibly not just the knowledge base, it's the habits. And what's really interesting is when people's lives aren't going well, what they tend to do is they go, I got to go take another course. I got to go get more skills. I got to do more of this. And where they don't stop and look is they go, well, let me just look at me and look at my day-to-day habits. And I will tell you the difference between those 4 people that we saw and the average person is they probably have way better habits. What they do on a day-to-day basis builds the character of a successful person, right? And what's simple about habits is that you don't have to go anywhere to change them. It's not a course you need to take. It's not a learn. It is really just sitting down and remember we talked about acceptance at the beginning. It is sitting down and looking and taking that personal inventory and saying, what are my habits? And going, what do I need to change? So 12 years ago when I looked at my money, I was like, okay, something needs to change. And it was my money habits, right? And I asked myself a simple question. I said, why do I pay the cable guy before I pay me? That needs to change. Right? That's just a habit. So I began to reevaluate, and I took my own inventory, and I said, what are the habits that I need to change so I can have the success I want, so I can become the person I want? Because as you change your habits, and the more you change, the more your character changes. And you get known to yourself and to the world as this different person. And it's just bit by bit, bit by bit. Does that make sense?